Good morning, everyone. Right now it's 11:28 a.m. on Friday, May 1st, 2020. Today is May Day. I hope you'll sing my present tone about a special May Day. Thinking corporate is giving them out as a way to express their appreciation for a little island community. It'll be amazing. Take a trip to a faraway island, get a little art. Wait, isn't that why you moved here? Anyway, it's going to be all sorts of fun, so don't forget to speak with Mr. Nook of Business Services. Dad, I'll get back to work supporting you and your drawing of your own. So in case you can't tell, I tried to make the colors look like how they normally appear, and I do not think I did a good job. Smell of trees and vegetable grass and watering your... What is meandering? Okay. Oh, hey. Isn't this the most perfect day to shop for flowers? Sure, Sue, you're so lucky because today I'm selling to beloved azalea. Isn't that Professor Juniper? Does he have the flowers I need? No, he doesn't. Okay, so my dad finally stopped talking. Okay, so if I can talk without getting interrupted, basically Dominic said that we go on the Mayday tour or something. Okay, clearly this didn't work. For some reason, the colors actually still look normal on my TV. I've said this for like the millionth time. But seriously, why does it look normal? Okay, so apparently Rover someone to make island. Why can't there be a separate option for this? And so there's a special trip to a faraway island. It's all organized with Tom. Why does this sound familiar? As for what awaits you there, you'll just have to find out. So apparently now we have to go on the tour empty-handed. Oh no. Okay, wait a minute. Isn't this how the game starts? Oh, right, this is always different than most. This is a giant maze. Oh, I get it. Nope. Oh, there's Bell House. Oh. Wait, that is over. Why did the colors get worse on the camera? Why did I get the dream? Oh, hey. Stepping all up. Oh! That makes sense. Oh, well, wait, what? Now I'm stuck in a different loop. They lose the recipe? I guess this is for the player doesn't have the recipe yet. Oh. Did all that for nothing. Nothing for nothing. Okay, this is Japan. I'm thinking. The regular act. Okay, and now all you have to do is get to the. Am I drifting? Okay, good. Okay. Okay. No. Can you do this more than once? That would be really cool. Okay. I just wrote it down here too. Almost there. Oh, that's so much. So I just got this costume too. Why am I using this over? And now we're finding out Rover, who for some reason looks worse when I'm not having this thing. It's Rover! You made it to the goal. Hey, having right before you seem kind of familiar. No, Rover, we definitely have not had it before. Even though I've definitely done. I definitely am not some prison event in my like, oh sorry, I've been traveling to a lot of different islands lately. I'm pretty bad with names and faces. That explains a lot considering that this is the first game he's done something like that. This is my first time on this island. It's a pretty what brings you here anyway? Tom looks at me. Wait, you know Tom Nook? He's really... Anyways, I'm here because you invited me. We know you're about to get a very interesting attraction on the island that she took it in. Really supposed to find it made. I don't know how to say that. What a surprise. So we now Tom Nook is having you live on the same island as wait, does Rover get to visit the island now? It sure does. I hear that's what is what it was called. I had a sleep right? I knew it. I didn't say that. Well, you have a this was from I did sleep was great. Yeah, wait one minute. Oh, okay. Wait, what is it? Does it give me the rope? So I mean, what a dog. So this was funny. Okay. Wait, why doesn't he get to come home? Why, Rover, why are you giving your stuff? I'm like a drawing my name for that. Not bad for his apron. Wait, then how old is Rover? Oh, I heard you took your AD tour. There's been no effort put into that video, so I had to go. It was fun. I guess that's it. I guess you can only go to the tour once. Yeah. is as close to it. I think this is almost as close to it as I can get.